When the trailer of Ray released, it looked like a cracker of a web series, especially because the names of talented stars like Manoj Bajpayee, KK Menon, Gajraj Rao, young stars like Ali Fazal, Harshvardhan Kapoor, and the stories of legendary filmmaker Satyajit Ray. The much awaited web series is now streaming on Netflix, and in this video, I will be reviewing it for you, so keep on watching. Before continuing, I will like to request all of you to please subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming movie reviews and entertainment news. Ray is an anthology of 4 stories. The first story, titled Forget Me Not, is about a genius entrepreneur, Ipsit Nair, played by Ali Fazal. He has a very sharp memory, of which he is proud of. But one day, he meets a girl named Riya Saran who reminds him about their certain intimate meeting, the details of which he can't remember anything about. Suddenly, these things starts affecting his mind and more things start happening which affects him even more. What happens at the climax is supposed to be shocking, but sadly it is not successful in doing so. It will be wrong to say that Forget Me Not is not able to engage you or keep you on the hook. The background music, the cinematography, the story, the way it keeps on going, everything works and keeps you on the edge of the seat and wants you to crave for the ending, what happens in the end. But thanks to some far from perfect performances and a few more things which I can't reveal to avoid the spoiler, it was very easy to guess what was going to happen in the climax. And it was not like that the climax was simply out of the world or something never seen before. If you are a regular movie watcher or shows watcher, you can easily guess what is going to happen in the end, and that is exactly what happens, and that leaves you very disappointed about the ending of this episode. Ali Fazal has given a convincing performance as Ipsit Nair. From being a genius, arrogant and self-involved entrepreneur, a proud entrepreneur, to being a frustrated guy, which is all about self-doubt, he has nailed all the emotions of his character. Unfortunately, the rest of the performances were not up to the mark, but director Srijit Mukherjee has done a fine job as a director. I will give 2.5 stars to this part of this web series. The second story, titled Behrupiya, stars talented actor like KK Menon in the lead role, who plays a character named Indrashis Shah, a timid guy who wants to be a makeup man. After facing troubles from everywhere in life, he gets a prosthetics book which has been left by his dead grandmother for him. She has also left a bill of rupees 75 lakhs for him. Now Indrashis has everything that he wants, he could ask for. He has 75 lakhs rupees with him. He has prosthetics book which he can use as his superpower to take revenge from everyone who has wronged him in his life. But what happens when he challenges a Peer Baba? Watch the story for a mind-blowing ending and climax. Behrupiya is one of the best stories of Ray, especially because it delivers what it promises. If it makes you crave for an excellent climax, it makes sure you pause the series in the end and say, what the fuck? Every scene in this web series is so deliciously made and served that it makes you asking for more. The character of KK Menon is so well written that it keeps you on the edge of the seat. You feel for him and you always want to not do what he has been doing to himself and not screw up his life like he has been doing with himself. His performance is so good that it never feels like that he is acting. It looks like it's just his alter ego and just another part of his life that he has been presenting on screen. Srijit Mukherjee has directed this story as well, and he has done terrific job this time. I will rate this episode of the series 4.5 stars out of 5. Hangama Hai Kyun Barpa is another amazing story of Ray. It revolves around 2 characters. One is played by Manoj Bajpayee and another is played by Gajraj Rao. Manoj Bajpayee plays the role of a popular ghazal singer, Musafir Ali, who once had a condition named kleptomania. Those who suffer from this problem have an uncontrollable urge to steal others' possessions. The other character is Gajraj Rao's Aslam Beg. Musafir Ali had once stolen Aslam Beg's very pricey possession and his lucky charm called Khushbakht. 10 years later, when they meet each other again during a train journey, what happens is not expected at all. Yet another brilliant story in Ray which made me root for this web series after an unsatisfactory start. The writers have done a great job with the writing and building up the story and taking it towards where it has to go. The beauty of the screenplay is again the same, something that you won't be able to guess what is going to happen in the end. It is totally going to shock you, it is totally going to surprise you. It is so unexpected and amazingly executed that you won't be able to guess what is going to happen, and even when it is unfolding, you will be enjoying every bit of it. There is always something revealing till the end of the episode. The poetic dialogues and the ghazals played in between the episode are a treat to watch for every ghazal fan, especially that of Ghulam Ali. Abhishek Chaubey has given a fine direction to the episode. Manoj Bajpayee and Gajraj Rao have added yet another great performance in the kitty. It is an outstanding feel to watch 2 extremely talented actors like them in one frame because they have taken the charm of the episode to another level. I will give 4 stars to this part of the web series. The last story of the series is Spotlight. It has Harshvardhan Kapoor playing the role of a Bollywood star who is very much loved by the people. He is very self-involved actor who loves his stardom very much and don't want to share it with someone else. While critics bash him for his acting, his one look is enough to make people crazy and sell his films at the box office. But suddenly he starts feeling insecure when he starts getting competition from a spiritual leader called Didi. As she starts getting people's attention from everywhere around, he starts feeling insecure about himself. While I was watching this episode, I was almost sure what is going to happen in the end. But to my surprise, it was totally surprising climax and very unpredictable and very shocking. It totally blew me over. The climax was not just a big shocker, it also took a dig at the hypocrisy. I love the way the writers have connected the one look factor of both Vic and Didi and how they were connected and unconnected with each other at the same time, and it keeps on revealing itself till the end of the episode. While the story has a special place in my heart for the way it ended, but it surely could have been executed in a better way. Also, the character played by Harshvardhan Kapoor was more suited to someone like Ranveer Singh. I am not saying that Harsh didn't play the role well. He tried his best, but someone like Ranveer could have nailed it. Radhika Madan was terrific in a small role, and Anushka Ranjan Kapoor was okay. Vasant Bala could have done a better job as a director, but overall a good job. Special marks to the background score. I will give 4 stars to this part of the web series. My overall rating for this web series will be 4 stars out of 5. Put your comments in the comment section. Let me know what do you think about the Ray. Share your feedback about this review in the comment section, and don't forget to share this review with your friends. Thank you so much.